They gave 6 times 10. 1 mole are 6 times 10, 23. And O is 16. Now, first of all, they said how many grams are there in 1 mole of oxygen? How many atoms are there in 8 grams of oxygen? Now, they gave you 1 mole as this, and oxygen as 16. In essence, 1 mole, okay, will give you 16 grams of oxygen. In essence, 1 mole will give you 16 grams of oxygen. So, 1 mole, if first of all look for 1 mole, is equal to 16 grams of oxygen. 16 grams of oxygen. 1 mole is 16 grams of oxygen. So 8 grams of oxygen will be 8 divided by 16. Remember, they said how many atoms are there in 8 grams of oxygen? And they gave you 1 mole as 6 times 10, 23. And oxygen is 16. In essence, the number of atoms that makes up 1 mole of oxygen is 16. The number of atoms that make up 1 mole of oxygen is 16. So in that context, 8 grams will be 8 divided by 16, which is equals to 1 over 2. Is equals to 1 over 2. Now, you've gotten the grams. You've gotten the grams of, you've gotten the grams now. Now, they said how many atoms are there in these 8 grams of oxygen? Now, you've gotten the 8 grams of oxygen as 1 over 2. You've gotten the 8 grams. Now, how do you get the number of atoms? How do you get the number of atoms? Getting the number of atoms is very easy. It's just, therefore, number of atoms will be equal to the mole. They gave you the mole as 6 times 10, 23 divided by 2. Remember, half means divided by 2. So it will be 2 go into 6 is 3. So it will be 3 times 10, 23. That is the number of moles. That is the number of moles, that number of atoms that are in. Now this becomes the Avogadro's number of this particular question. This becomes Avogadro's number. Why? Because of this 1023. This 10 to the power 23 makes it the Avogadro's number. Now, this is the number of particles that are present in 8 grams of oxygen. Remember,